Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amasay High School. We will continue with our chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Today we will discuss about a new topic, common factor. First I will explain you about factor. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. As I have explained you earlier in my introductory video about factors. Factors are those numbers which we can get by multiplying or dividing the two numbers to get another number. For example, if we multiply 3 by 4, we get 12. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12. When we find the factors of two or more numbers and then find some factors are the same, common, then they are the common factors. If we are taking the factors of two or more numbers and if we find same or common factors, then they are called common factor. I will explain you this with an example. For example, if we find out factors of 12 and 15, I've explained you earlier how to find out factors. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now you can see that 1 is a common factor of both the numbers 12 and 15. 3 is also a common factor of both the numbers 12 and 15. So we can say that 1 and 3 are the common factors of 12 and 15. If 1 is the only common factor of the given two numbers, then those numbers are called co-prime numbers. If we find out the factors of two or more numbers and only one is the common factor, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. For example, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 both have only one common factor, that is 1. Now our next topic is common multiple. The multiple that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. If we are taking multiples of two or more numbers, then if we find some common multiples, then we can say that the multiples are common multiples of those numbers. I will explain you this with an example. For example, if we are taking multiples of 4 and 6. As I have explained you earlier, multiples means we have to write down the tables. If multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. So now you can see the common multiples of 4 and 6 are, if you see that 12 is a multiple of 4 and 6, both the numbers, and 24 is also a common multiple of 4 and 6. 36 also is a common multiple of 4 and 6. Therefore, the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24 and 36. So students, now we will move to our exercise number 3.4. Question number 1. Find the common factors of A. 20 and 28, B. 15 and 25, C. 35 and 50, D. 56 and 120. Now we have to find out common factors of these numbers. In that sum number A of question number 1, 20 and 28, we have to find out the common factors of 20 and 28. Now solution for sum number A. Here we have to find out factors of 20. Students, I have explained you earlier that how to find out the factors. To find out the factors, we have to use tables from 1 to 9. Now the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. As you can see that 1 20s is 20, 2 10s is also 20 and 4 5s is also 20. So these are the factors of 20. Now factors of 28. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. By multiplying 1 by 28 we get 28. By multiplying 2 by 14 also we get 28, and 4 sevens is also 28. So these are the factors of 28. Now we have to find out the common factors of 20 and 28. You can see that 1 is a common factor in both the numbers. 2 is also a common factor in both the numbers. 4 is also a common factor in both the numbers. So we can say that common factors of 20 and 28 are 1, 2 and 4. Now sum number B of question number 1, 15 and 25. We have to find the common factors of 15 and 25. Now solution for sum number B. Here also we have to find the factors of 15 and 25. First we will find factors of 15. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. As by multiplying 1 by 15 we get 15, and by multiplying 3 and 5 also we get 15. Now factors of 25. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. 1 25 is 25 and 5 5 is also 25. Now we have to find out the common factors of 15 and 25. As you can see that 1 is a common factor in both the numbers and 5 is a common factor in both the numbers. So the common factors of 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. Students, try to solve the remaining sum by yourself. Now question 2 of exercise 3.4. Find the common factors of A, 4, 8 and 12, B, 5, 15 and 25. Here we have to find out common factors of these numbers. Sum number A is 4, 8 and 12. In the previous question, we have to find out common factors of two numbers. Here we have to find out the common factors of these three numbers. Solution for sum number A of question number 2. Here also we have to find out the factors of 4, 8 and 12. First we will find the factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. 1 4 is 4 and 2 2 is also 4. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1 8 is 8. 2 4 is also 8. So these are the factors of 8. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 6 is also 12. 3 4 is also 12. So these are the factors of 12. Now we have to find out common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Here also we will find the factors, common factors, that is 1 in all these three numbers. 2 is also a common factor in all the three numbers, and 4 is also a common factor in all these three numbers. So we can say that common factors of 4, 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Students, try to solve sum number B of question number 2 by yourself. With this we end our today's video and will continue our chapter in the next video. Thank you.